Hey guys, you're watching Cait Straight Up and I'm Caitlin, and today I'm going to show you how to grill pineapple. I love grilled pineapple in the summer. It goes well with so many different foods, especially shrimp, seafood, pretty much anything, and it couldn't be easier. So you actually can just take your pineapple and throw it right on the grill. You don't have to do anything to it. You don't even really have to put any oil or anything, just right on a medium hot grill. However, if you really want to spice up your pineapple and have a really nice, fun, sweet flavor, I like to sprinkle mine with a little bit of brown sugar. You don't have to go overboard, just a tiny sprinkle on each side, so I'm just going to flip it over. And there we go. After that, you're going to pop it on a medium hot grill for about 2 to 4 minutes on each side. You're going to just put it on there, let it chill out, flip it over after about 2 to 4 minutes, and you'll see those really nice grill marks. That's it, guys. I told you this one was easy, and you are going to love that grilled pineapple all summer long. Make sure to subscribe to Cait Straight Up for more recipes like this one. Find me on Instagram, Cait Straight Up Cooking, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.